Unlocking the secrets of chord substitution in music. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting aspect of music theory that can transform your playing or songwriting skills: chord substitution. This technique is a cornerstone for jazz musicians, arrangers, and composers, allowing for richer harmonies and more expressive performances. Whether you're just starting out or looking to deepen your understanding, you're in the right place. Let's explore the magic of chord substitution together. Chord substitution refers to the practice of replacing a chord in a chord progression with another chord that serves a similar function but adds a different color or emotional quality to the music. This technique is widely used to create variety, tension, and complexity in musical compositions. The substituted chords often share common tones with the original chords, which helps maintain cohesion within the progression while introducing new harmonic possibilities. Diatonic substitution. Diatonic substitutions are the simplest form, involving the replacement of a chord with another chord from the same key. For example, swapping a IV chord for a E chord because both function as predominant chords in a progression. Chromatic substitution. Chromatic substitutions introduce notes outside the original key, offering more dramatic changes. A common example is the tritone substitution, where a dominant chord is replaced with another dominant chord a tritone away. This substitution is beloved for its tension and resolution qualities. Modal interchange. This involves borrowing chords from parallel modes or keys, such as using a minor IV chord in a major key progression. It adds emotional depth and can dramatically change the mood of a piece. To effectively use chord substitution, start by understanding the function of each chord in a progression. Experiment by replacing chords with their substitutes and listen to how it affects the overall sound. Remember, the best substitutions preserve the harmonic function while adding a fresh twist to the music. Practical tips. Experiment with diatonic substitutions for a subtle change. Use tritone substitutions to introduce tension and release in jazz progressions. Explore modal interchange for emotional depth. Always consider the melody when choosing substitutions to ensure harmonic support. We hope this exploration of chord substitution has sparked your curiosity and inspired you to experiment in your musical endeavors. With practice, you'll find that these techniques can unlock new dimensions in your compositions and arrangements. Keep playing, keep experimenting, and most importantly, enjoy the journey of musical discovery. See you in the next video. Remember, music is a language of emotion, and chord substitution is one of the tools that can help you express those emotions more vividly. Happy playing!